Hello, this is Michael Fluharty, and welcome to Zero to Hero Side Hustles. And this particular group, we're going to help anyone and everyone that would like to either develop a side hustle or they would like to improve upon the side hustle they have. So sit back and enjoy this video. Now, what is a side hustle? A side hustle is a way to generate income. Side hustles range from picking up cans on the side of the road to running a business that gives you freedom. Note, most side hustles never become a means to freedom, but many do. It's important to realize that you are in charge of the outcome. This means that you can win or lose based on your dedication to the hustle. Here's a list of reasons why people fail at side hustles. 1, the passion. In order to really develop a side hustle, you have to have a passion for whatever it is that you're going to be doing. If your passion is in helping people become closer to God, then you would want to have a passion for that. If your passion is automobiles, or if your passion is decorating, whatever it may be, you have to have a passion. Passion is the number one thing that will help you propel, but most people's passion is limited and is limited to their dedication. So you can have passion and enjoy something, but you don't have the dedication to do it consistently enough to truly make it a winning side hustle. Distractions. The worst thing that you can have in any business are distractions. So it's important to know that people fail a lot of times because they allow outside influence to dictate what they do with their side hustle. Bad advice. This one here will always be one that hurts people because unfortunately you can have a side hustle that is producing for you. Someone could come by and tell you, share with you their thoughts on what your side hustle is. And because they don't know your circumstance or what you're doing in order to be successful with your side hustle, they could give you bad advice, such as that side hustle is not any good, or you don't make enough money doing that side hustle. So do be careful on the advice you take. Having the wrong side hustle also can be bad, because if you set your goals and you identify what you want the outcome to be, having the wrong vehicle could really hurt you and set you back. So making sure that you have the right side hustle is something that can be helpful, but most people will fail because they have the wrong one. Now, capital intensive. If your side hustle requires a lot of capital, you may want to rethink your side hustle, because at the end of the day, you want to have a hustle that does not require a lot of time or a lot of money in order to reap the rewards of what you're trying to accomplish. The learning curve. A lot of side hustles have a learning curve that will take time to develop. Having a coach, having someone to guide you, having the principles that help people become successful is part of that learning curve. And all of these items that you see listed, the passion, the dedication, distractions, bad advice, all of these are things that cause people to fail. So right now, let's go ahead and determine that we're going to identify our passion. We're going to have some time to dedicate to it. We're going to block out distractions. We're going to avoid bad advice. We're going to make sure that we have the right side hustle, not the wrong one. We're going to do our best to make sure that it's not capital intensive. And then we're going to help coach you in developing your side hustle. Now that I've made you nervous, let's talk about how you can win with a side hustle. Most people have some type of side hustle. You just call it a job. Yes, a job is a side hustle. It means that it's a means to make money. You will trade time for money, hours for dollars. The only issue is you are limited in most cases to how much money you can earn. Our goal here is simple. We want to help you learn how to overcome any obstacle while increasing your lifestyle. I remember my first side hustle. I was 9 years old and I wanted money to rent videos. My mom at the time was barely making ends meet, so asking her for money was not in the cards. We were so broke that I remember me and my brother got one 2-liter drink, and one large bag of chips to last us an entire weekend. Renting video games is a distant second to any plans that she had. My first hustle came to me because she hated taking the trash to the dumpster in our apartment building. So I made a deal with her that if I took the trash out, she would give me $1 twice a week. So I would make $2 a week. After the first week, I had enough money to rent a video game. So back then it was like $2 to rent a video game. Well, that was amazing. I was able to rent a game, play it all weekend, but I didn't stop there. I asked her to help me make a flyer that I could give to all the people in our apartment complex. I made approximately 34 hand flyers, and I proceeded to walk door to door and offer my $2 a week trash service. After a few weeks, I was able to get 10 customers and that helped me earn a whopping $20 a week. I was rich for an 8-9-year-old. It was absolutely amazing. I was able to rent the games I wanted and buy a $5 Little Caesar pizza, if you know what I'm talking about. But I didn't stop there. I would get on the waiting list for the new games that were coming out so that I could be the first. I knew that if I could be the first in my complex with a new game, I could charge the local kids 50 cents to come and play with me. ABC, always be hustling, right? Many years later, and too many hustles to count, I'm here to tell you that if you have the will, you can find the way. Now, what's the best side hustle on earth? Did you know that Elvis Presley died in the 70s and last year he made $50 million? Yes, he made more dead than 99% of hustlers will make in a lifetime. What makes Elvis's hustle so rewarding? Well, it's simple. He wrote some songs once and he gets paid forever. I know what you're thinking. I can't write songs. Well, you don't have to. All you have to do is find your passion, get a coach, and don't give up. Money is not what you want. It's a means to what you really desire. The best side hustle is when you can do the work once, but get paid whether you get out of bed or not. This is how you create lifestyle. Again, welcome to our group of hustlers. Here are some things you can expect in this group. We're going to be sharing new ideas. Every day, we're going to come up with several different hustles that you can start with little or no money. We're going to help you develop those ideas. We're going to grow those ideas into a business. And I misspelled something there. And then also, we're going to help others because at the end of the day, it's important for us to be able to help others because it'll help us improve our side hustle. All right. Now, how do you get started? If you would like to get a new side hustle, make our page a favorite so you can see all the latest updates. Drop your current worst side hustle in the comments below so that we can all have a laugh and get to know each other. Let's have some fun with this to get started. Complete the survey below and I will reach out and go over with you how you can find your next side hustle. Now, I have a bonus offer for you. I'm going to help one hustler with a much needed tool, a Mac Mini. So for those of you that don't know, this is what's called a Mac Mini. This tool will connect to any TV and can be used to build your side hustle every day. It's going to be our dedicated tool along with your cell phone, but it's going to be a dedicated tool so that we can easily build our side hustle. Now, to enter this contest, just complete the survey for a chance to win. Thank you, and I greatly appreciate you being here. Look for our next video. It's coming out soon, and I look forward to working with you and helping you develop a new side hustle.